10 hidden dangers of irresponsible makeup use. Makeup can be a fun and creative way to enhance your appearance, but using it irresponsibly can have some serious downsides. From aging and wrinkles to breakouts, here are 10 reasons why you should reconsider your makeup routine and take steps towards a healthier, more natural approach. 1. Aging and wrinkles. Heavy and long-term use of makeup can contribute to developing wrinkles and fine lines. The chemicals in makeup can break down the skin's elasticity, leading to premature aging. To prevent this, it's important to choose makeup products free of harsh chemicals and give your skin a break from makeup when possible. Opt for natural, non-toxic products and consider using a gentle face massage to boost circulation and support skin's elasticity. 2. Corrosive ingredients. Many makeup products contain ingredients that can be harsh and corrosive to the skin. This can cause irritation, dryness, and even chemical burns. To avoid these side effects, read product labels carefully and opt for makeup products that are free of harmful ingredients. Look for products that are labeled as hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, and non-comedogenic. 3. Lack of oxygen to the skin. Wearing makeup for extended periods can restrict the skin's ability to breathe. This lack of oxygen can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. To ensure your skin is getting enough oxygen, remove your makeup before bedtime and consider using a gentle, oil-free cleanser to unclog pores. Avoid using heavy foundation and powder products, and opt for lighter, more breathable formulas instead. 4. Using too much and too frequently. Overuse of makeup can lead to a buildup of bacteria on the skin. This can cause breakouts, irritation, and even infection. To avoid this, limit the amount of makeup you use and be mindful of the frequency with which you apply it. Use a clean brush or sponge for each application and avoid sharing makeup products with others. 5. Breakouts. Certain makeup products, especially oil-based ones, can clog pores and trigger breakouts. To prevent breakouts, choose makeup products that are labeled as non-comedogenic, meaning they are less likely to clog pores. Use a gentle, oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and unclog pores, and consider using a toner to balance the skin's natural oils. 6. Allergic reactions. Some people may develop an allergic reaction to the ingredients in makeup. Symptoms can range from mild itching and redness to severe hives and swelling. To minimize the risk of an allergic reaction, choose makeup products that are free of fragrances, dyes, and other potential allergens. If you have sensitive skin, consider patch testing new products before using them on your face. 7. Hormonal imbalances. Certain ingredients in makeup, such as parabens, have been linked to hormonal imbalances and various other health problems, including infertility and cancer. To minimize the risk of hormonal imbalances, choose makeup products that are free of parabens and other harmful chemicals. Look for products that are labeled as paraben-free or phthalate-free. 8. Harmful to the environment. Many makeup products contain microplastics that harm the environment and marine life. To minimize your environmental impact, choose makeup products labeled as microplastic-free or eco-friendly. Look for products that use natural, biodegradable ingredients and are packaged in recyclable materials. 9. Unhealthy lifestyle. Overusing makeup can lead to an unhealthy lifestyle, which becomes a crutch for self-esteem and confidence. To develop a healthier relationship with makeup, try to focus on embracing your natural beauty and developing self-confidence without relying on cosmetics. Take breaks from wearing makeup and participate in activities that help you feel good about yourself, such as exercise, self-care, and spending time with loved ones. 10. Financial burden. Regularly buying high-end makeup products can become a significant financial burden. Instead, consider investing in a simple, high-quality skincare routine that promotes healthy skin and reduces the need for heavy makeup. Look for multifunctional products, such as tinted moisturizers and concealers, to simplify your routine and save money. In conclusion, using makeup irresponsibly can negatively impact your skin and health. By choosing products with natural and organic ingredients, you can reduce the risks associated with traditional cosmetics. One such brand is Jecca Black, which offers a range of makeup products made with all natural ingredients. If you're looking to simplify your routine or try a more natural approach to beauty, consider giving Jecca Black a try.